Hey guys, welcome to FP29 Breaks, and today I have an Upper Deck 2020-21 Mega Box. So I'm a bit behind. Many people have already been cracking open cases and hobby boxes of this stuff. I haven't been able to get a hobby box yet, but this is the next best thing, as this mega box comes with 10 packs plus one bonus pack, and the bonus pack is a really cool 94.95 rookie die cut tribute pack. So 94.95 SB cards are cool looking, and you guys will get to see what the die cut retro rookies will look like in this. So I've got 10 retail packs. These ones are 8 cards per pack, so I'll be definitely getting 2 Young Guns, maybe 3 if I'm lucky. And we've got this bonus pack, and we'll save this one for last. Alright, let's get cracking. So watching a lot of other videos and cards on eBay, seems that the Young Guns have rounded corners. And looking at these corners, yeah, they're a little rounded, so this box may not be a good box to pull a Young Guns, but let's see. Here we got PK Subban, Dylan Larkin, Samuel Girard, Zach Hyman, Kyle Palmieri, JT Miller, Zibanejad. Look at that grin. Yeah. And Radulov. Looks like he's got a big 5-hole in his mouth. So there are also photo variants. If you find a picture of a guy wearing a suit or a hockey player in a suit, that would be one of the photo variants. All right, John Klingberg, Dmitry Orlov, Braden Shen, Colton Parayko, Blake Lizotte, Anders Lee, Alexander Wenberg, and Martin Nekash. Alright, so nothing going on there in those 2 packs. Man, the Lafreniere rookie is going for an incredible amount of money. About $250 to $300 US, so it'd be awesome if we pulled him. Adrian Kempe, John Marino, Riley Smith, and our first Young Gun is Mikey Anderson. Let's have a look. Yeah, looks like I got one of those rounded corner boxes, and man, look at the damage there. It's a nice white corner. Not. Oh well, at least it wasn't Lafreniere like that, otherwise I would have been crying. Jeff Petrie, John Manson, Josh Manson, Carter Hutton, and Neil Poink. Okay. So I saw a ton of these mega boxes in my Walmart. Probably won't be buying any more, seeing that they probably all have rounded corners in them. Here we have Johansson, Zuccarello, Darnell Nurse, Alex Kerfoot, portraits of Logan Couture. These remind me of inserts from Collector's Choice a while back. Jordan Eberle, Eric Carlson, and Philip Hronik. So you can get Young Gun exclusive cards, which are 1 in 48 packs. It's about 1 in 5 boxes, as well as jersey cards, which are 1 in 20 packs, so 1 in 2 boxes. Grimaldi, Wierenski, Lindholm, and we have our first canvas card, Patrick Laine. These are 1 in 7 packs, so you should be getting on average 1 per box. Applicator, Stamkos, Hornqvist and Ilya Samsonov making a nice stop there. Letang, Kachuk, Nick Foligno, and we have a game jersey of Jacob Trouba with a damaged corner there and a damaged corner there and a damaged corner there and a not so bad corner there. All right, we got Kopitar and Tanev. Jared Spurgeon, Charlie Coyle, Murphy, Suzuki, Stone, Stalock, Mitch Marner, and Kyler Yamamoto. Got 3 packs left. Still got at least one Young Gun to go. Got Ivan Provorov, Ristolainen, Akari, portraits of Marc-Andre Fleury. Fleury has always had one of the best smiles in the NHL. That's why he's so likable. Landeskog, Morrissey, Connor Brown, Yanni Gord. All right, down to our last 2 packs. Kadri, Ehlers, Anisimov, Coleman, and we have a pink Dazzlers. These are 1 in 144 blaster packs, so it's a nice hit. Mackenzie Blackwood. He's a great young goalie. Really happy with that pull. The corners don't seem too bad for the Dazzlers. All right, we have Marchessault, Keith, and Trocheck. So our last pack, we should be getting 1 Young Guns in this. Kevin Hayes, McDavid, Danault, Varlamov. Holy cow! And we pulled it! Alex Lafreniere! And I just watched Canadian Card Breakers pull this one in his box. And I think he just passed that Mojo to me. Thank you, Canadian Card Breakers. I can definitely feel those positive vibes. And unfortunately, those corners look like they've been nicely rounded. But I still pulled him. Crazy. Maybe Lafreniere is 1 per box. Colton Miller and Jonathan Taves. Oh, 1 more. This is exactly what I'm doing right now. I know you can't see me, but I'm doing this ooh-ah pose like I just scored the hat trick. Alexei Lafreniere Young Guns on my first box of the year for Upper Deck 2020-21. Definitely gonna sleeve this guy. Still not sure whether or not I should complain to Upper Deck or not about this, because it seems like everyone, at least like 9 out of 10 people, are pulling the rounded corners Young Gun. But man, definitely pulled a big one. All right, so we almost forgot about this. Exclusive 94-95 die cut tribute cards. Let's see if we can pull, or let's see if there are any parallels or anything. No parallels in this. They're all rookie cards, so maybe we can pull a laugh in this. Alright, so these are the die cuts going way back, retro style. Nicholas Baudin, Josh Norris, he's a good one. And it looks like we have a red SP parallel. Mikey Anderson, seems like Mikey is enjoying his time here as we also pulled his busted up Young Guns. Alright, so let's have a look at the inserts. Here's the Mikey Anderson Young Guns. The Blackwood Pink Dazzlers. Marc-Andre Fleury, he's like, yeah, you pulled the Lafreniere. Yes. Logan Couture, who's like, yeah, pay me for this photo shoot, then I'm out of here. Patrick Laine, who's still trying to convince everyone he's better than Matthews. So we'll see how he does this year. We've got our Trouba with the nice 3 rounded corners. And our hit of the box, Alexis Lafreniere, just saved me a bunch of money, which because I'm not probably not going to buy any more boxes of this for a while unless it goes on sale on Black Friday. That mega box costed me about I think it was $55 plus tax, so about $60. So definitely made my money back on that, and probably would like to keep it that way as the quality control isn't the best. But yeah, awesome pull. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.